So, welcome to this course on Foundation to Computing Systems. So, this course is for 20 hours duration and we will have 6 parts per hour, and so totally 120 parts. Each part will be approximately 10 minutes. So, we will follow this nomenclature: module, hour, dot part. So, this is module 1.1, this is module first hour first part. So, we will go to module 1.2 to 1.6, then 2.1 to 2.6 and so on. So, totally there will be 120 parts, each hour 6 parts and each part going to 10 minutes. In the first part I will be introducing you to this course. I hope you have seen the introduction video. I will not be repeating that again. So, if you have not seen my introduction video in full, please do see that. But what we will be following in this course is closely this particular book, Elements of Computing Systems by Nizan and Shimon. You can get the details of this book at this particular website, nand2tetris.org. I would like to spend a couple of minutes to explain what is NAND to Tetris. All of you know that Tetris is a game, it is an application software. NAND, you might have studied in your plus 2, is actually a gate. It is also a universal gate, meaning that any gate in the world can be actually constructed using NAND gate, right. So, NAND is a gate. Now, what we will be doing in this course in 20 hours, we attempt to use a NAND gate and build an entire computer and the related software on which you can execute Tetris, you can play the Tetris game. So, you use a NAND gate, which is the basic gate. Using that NAND gate we use several such NAND gates to build a hardware. We will write software layers on top of it, and finally we will compile and execute a Tetris game on that simulated hardware. So, that is why this course is called NAND to Tetris. I hope this is very exciting to you, right. So, in the first module, first part of the first module, I will be introducing you to this website www.nand2tetris.org. So, if you go to this website, this is the home page and you can see a window here which basically explains you the entire book. It also has course materials here. You can look at these course materials wherein these are all the 12 different projects or 12 different steps involved in converting or building a complete computer from NAND gate so that it is capable of executing the Tetris game. And then there are projects, these are the projects, and this is about the book. There is an Amazon paperback, Amazon Kindle and MIT Press books are there. So, I strongly suggest that you buy this book because very useful, and you can use this book. It will be a very exciting thing to read, and the entire software that we will be using in this course is a very practical course. So, everything is in the project, there is nothing in basically in the lectures, but we will be doing the project, and so you need to understand this course. Now, we go to this website nand2tetris.org. Now, we will now look at the software which we will be using for all the assignments that we will be doing. This is a very practical course, it is extremely dependent on the software, and the entire course will be based on the software. So, the software can be executed by on a Windows, Unix and Mac OS machine. How to execute on the Windows and Unix are similar. For Mac OS, there is a setup guide for Mac OS X that we will be using. Now, I will first go and click this. So, I am just downloading it. So, click for download, yes. So, this is downloaded now. Now, copy this, I am just trying to copy. And I am pasting it here. Now, I will extract this. Okay. Now, after extracting, I delete the original zip file, compressed file. Now, I have NAND to Tetris as a directory. Now, I go into that, I click on tools and I get hardware simulator. If you are using Windows, use the hardware simulator Windows bash file. If you are using Linux, use hardware simulator.sh, the shell file. If you are using Mac OS, please do go to this part and use this setup guide for Mac OS X as given in the website nandtotetris.org and find out how you can use it. Right. So, now let us double click on this and this will open. So, once the screen opens, be sure that your hardware simulator is running, right. Now, just to test everything is paka, we will just load one chip, just say file, load chip, go to built-in chips, click on xr.sdl, click load chip. Now, you just go here, this is an XR gate, we will be explaining you what is an XR gate shortly. Just change this to 1, click on this A and change it to 1, press enter. Now, press this run, the double arrow here, check if this has become 1. Make the B 1, press the enter key. Now, you press this run here, check if this is becoming 0. So, this is a very simple test that you can do to basically check whether your hardware simulator is working. So, this is pretty much, once you have done this, I think you have finished the installation of the software. It's very straightforward. For any clarification, please do post on the website. There is a discussion forum and we will try and answer these questions. Thank you.